Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social class. In last class, we learned every drop counts, right? We already completed the activities at bit part of this lesson, right? So, in this session, I will explain you the question and answers of this lesson. So, first question. In fourth Roman, we have two questions, children, and fifth Roman, we have another two questions. Total four questions. So, in this session, I will explain you. You have to write, okay, you have to copy in your social CW notebook, then send me photos through WhatsApp. Okay, first question. Distinguish between a dam and a reservoir. Here, we have to write the differences between dam and reservoir. What is dam and what is reservoir? Yes, dam. A dam is a structure built across a river so that the free flow of water is controlled. As we built dams across a river to control the free flow of water. So especially during rainy season, the free flow of water, at floods time, the water will be going to be wasted. So that's time the dam will store the water for a long time. Okay, that is a dam. Coming to reservoir. A reservoir is a place where the water is collected and stored for future use. Yes, in reservoirs water will be stored. In summer season we do not have the sufficient water, enough water. Okay, so that time the reservoirs water will be used. So for the future uses we will be stored. And dams provide water for use in industries. Okay, dams provide water. We have so many industries, children. All the goods will manufactured at industries only. So industries also need water. Dams can provide water to the industries. Reservoirs provide water for drinking and irrigation. Do you know irrigation fields? We have a fields, children. So we have to give the water through the irrigation system to the fields. Okay, from the reservoirs only we can provide the water and for drinking purpose also. Third one, dams prevent floods during rainy season. As I told you, dams control free flow of water. Reservoirs collected and stored water for future use. Okay, for future uses reservoirs collect water. Okay, this is about first question, children. Now second question. Now this is second question, children. Distinguish between surface water and underground water. As surface water. Water that is collected on the surface of the earth is called surface water. Examples are rivers, streams, ponds and lakes. As already we learned in this topic, underground water that seeps into the ground and is collected under earth's surface is called underground water. Examples are wells and springs. Okay, so water can available surface as well as underground. Okay, now fifth Roman. First question here, children. Explain the importance of storing water. See, is there any use of water? If you store the water, is there any use? Yeah, we have many uses. Okay, let me explain. First one, water is required for drinking, otherwise body will hydrate. That is why we should store water. So children, if you not drink the water, then what happens? Our body will dehydrated. Okay. So we have to. Otherwise our body will dehydrate. That is why we should store water. For sanitation and other household purpose also, we should store the water. And if your local water source becomes polluted, you can use stored water. So your surrounding water sources will be polluted, means in case all the water sources polluted, then what will you do? You can use the stored water. Okay. We can use stored water at the time of floods, earthquake and local emergency, even in summer also. Okay, so summer time lo, floods time, earthquake and emergency time lo, we can use the stored water, children. So there are many uses if you store the water. So children, you can store the water and don't be wasted. Okay, now fourth question. What are canals? How do they help in the distribution of water? Canals are man-made channels to transport water. Canals are man-made channels. Okay, canals are not natural resources. Okay, it's not formed by natural. Okay, man-made. Okay, these canals are created by human beings. Okay, uses. Canals carry water from the dam to agriculture fields for irrigation. Canals also serve the purpose of hydroelectricity, drinking water, supply, fishery development and navigation. For all these purposes, canals we can use. Okay, canals distribute water as well as canals development of fisheries and navigation, for drinking water, for hydroelectricity. I already told you children, hydroelectricity means here generated the power. Okay, power. This here turbine will rotates very fast. So that time the water will fall on the turbine, the power will generate. That is hydroelectricity. So there are many uses. The distribution of water through the canals. Children, this is about 4 questions in this lesson. So you have to copy in your social CW, then send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.